All right, ladies and gents, welcome back. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to all of you. Nuke 16 here. This is the answer to the skill testing question at the end of last lesson. If you tried it out, hopefully I got it right. You never know. I could have screwed up myself. But I got 1,006 centimeters squared, 198, 384, 384, and 40 as the areas of the four shapes. I added them all together. So, today I'd like to welcome back one of our friends that was here earlier this unit. Came in all the way from Scotland to visit you today. We've got Charles McFarland back as our guest teacher today. Oh, I'm so glad to be here. Wow, that was a terrible, terrible boat ride over here. I can't believe they've closed down all the airways. I had to catch a sailboat over here. Oh, it took me weeks. But I want to give a quick shout out to some of my friends who have been keeping me going on Facebook and Instabook and Instagram and all those other Insta silly apps that are out there. One quick shout out to Zafira. Thank you for all the lovely words. Eric, you might be my new best friend. And I'd like to say hi to, I think it's Berlin, I'm not sure which. And Lene, I think it is. Lene, it's very nice to meet you. All right, let's get going today. It looks like today Nukes has got me teaching you something about a triangle and trying to find the area inside of it. Why would anybody care about space inside of a triangle? But Nuke 16 has me going through this stuff with you. I apologize. Last time I think I swore. I didn't think Mr. Nukes would allow me back after my horrible language. But he's such a nice guy. What a heck of a guy he is. He's allowed me to come back another time. So I'll make sure I'm on my best behavior this time. All right, so it appears as though we're going to look at the area of a triangle, and it says here that a triangle is half of a parallelogram. Holy cow, I guess you're right. If you were to draw in the other part of the parallelogram, it would look something like that. And then we would know that the area is just base times height. If you wanted to find the entire thing. But we don't, we've only got half of it. Blimey, we've got half of the parallelogram. And it's a triangle. Wow, I love this smart board. I can play with this for hours. Look at the erase function. Look at that. Wow. All right, well, let's get into this. Since a triangle is essentially half of a parallelogram or a rectangle in little teeny words, how neat is that little teeny writing? Its formula must be... It says nothing here. Nukes, how am I supposed to tell what the formula is if it's not written down? Your notes are lacking. You should be ashamed of yourself. Charles, I was hoping that you would come up with a formula because it's half of a parallelogram, and we just talked about a parallelogram last lesson. Remember, parallelogram's formula was base times height. If you've forgotten, you just wrote that down. So if a triangle is half of a parallelogram, what do you think the formula would be? Come on, Charles, think about it. Holy cow, you put me on the spot here. I feel pressure. I didn't even have my hand up. I feel like one of those students at the back who's hiding because they don't want to be asked a question. Somebody help me out here. Anybody? Sid, lend me a hand. All right, well, Charles, obviously you're not going to figure this out on your own, so I'll step in here and help out. I believe if it's half of a parallelogram, the formula for the area of a parallelogram was base times height. We're going to take half of the base times the height. So I'm going to take whatever the base times the height is, and then take half of that amount, or divide it by 2. Holy cow, Nukes, you are brilliant. Well, let's see if we can put that to use, shall we? Just knowing the equation's useless if you can't use it. It's like having a car with no gas. Speaking of gas, oh my goodness. But that's a different story. Let's move on here. All right, then, we've got, oh my gosh, Nukes, we've got a whole bunch of triangles here. I don't know where to begin. Let's start off with the top left-hand side, I guess, or is that the right-hand side in Scotland? I can't remember now. You guys are driving on the wrong side of the road over here. All right. Or maybe it's the right side of the road. Oh my goodness, maybe we're wrong. Holy cow, I've never thought of it that way. All right, we've got, looks like a right triangle here. Let's look at this one here. I'll circle it in case you're not sure which one I was thinking of. Okay, we've got a base of 18, it looks like, and a height, because it's a right triangle, a base of 18 and a height of 14. I'll take my formula, which you just told me is area is base times the height. We've got a base of 8. Oh no, it's not just a base times the height. That would be a parallelogram. You just about fooled me, Nukes. Ha ha, I thought I'd get you there, Stephen. Oh, I just about forgot to put the half sign in front of that. That would have been awful. And way too big, I might add. Speaking of big, I can't believe the size of the portions over here. Every time I order a burger and fries, it's massive. All right, moving on. We've got a half of whatever 18 times 14 is. Well, I don't know what 18 times 14 is. I never learned that. How can you possibly expect me to know that? Hey, hold on, Stephen. I'll get you a calculator. Here's a calculator here. Just use your calculator and times 18 times 14 and then divide it by 2. And that should give you the answer. Oh my goodness, that's a great idea. So I've got 18 times 14 and it's 252. And then I'll just divide that by 2 and I got a 126. My goodness, 100. That's about as many days it has took me to sail over here. Looks like I've got 126 centimeters squared, or square centimeters for all of you North American types. All right, what question shall we try next? Nukes, why is there this green sun over here? It's not even in the triangle. Why would we have a height not in the triangle? That seems ridiculous. Well, Stephen, that green arrow over there with the dots is telling you that the height of the triangle, notice that it had a little right angle sign in there. The height of the triangle is in fact 16, because that's straight up and down, versus 17, which is not the height because it's on an angle. And because it's got this little sign in the corner, then we know that this is the exactly vertical 90-degree height. So I'm going to use this number and the base of 9, which is from here to here, to calculate the area of this triangle. I'm not going to use the hypotenuse of 20. In fact, you don't even need the number 20 to calculate the area of this triangle. Holy cow, Nukes, are you telling me that you put the number 20 in there just to confuse people? That is not very nice. Scotland would never do something like that. That's truly evil. You should be ashamed of yourself. All right, then, we will take the 9 centimeters. We will write down the formula. Area equals 1/2 the base times the height. We've got 1/2 times a base of 9 and a height of 16. Holy cow, I do not know what 9 times 16 is. Why do you keep asking me these ridiculous questions with huge numbers? Oh my goodness, it's 144. And then when I get to 144, if I simply divide it by 2, I get 72 centimeters squared. Oh my goodness, I am good. 72 centimeters squared. Wow. I never knew this. Well then, let's try another question over here. Let's move on to this one on the top right-hand side. Holy cow, I've got a base. And oh, nukes, you're trying to fool us again, aren't you? I can see what you've done here. You've not given us the height, you've given us this horrible hypotenuse. I don't know what the height is, I can't find the height. If I don't know the height, I can't find the area of the triangle. I'm going to come back to that one, that's too difficult for me. I'm going to use the bottom one because I've got a base of 26 and I've got a height of 20. That makes it much easier. I simply use the same formula of 1/2. Notice I remember to put in the half this time of the base times the height. I'm going to multiply the base and the height together, which is 26 times 20. My goodness, could you make the numbers any bigger? 520. And then I will take half of 520, which means I will simply divide it by 2. 2 being one of my favorite numbers. And it's also the second number in the line. How wonderful. By the way, I was the second born child in my family, which means I got the scraps. 260 is the grand total of 260 centimeters squared. I had to fight for every meal. That's why I'm so tiny. Not fair at all being the second born. The only thing worse than that could be the third born. But then you'd be the middle child. Oh my goodness, that's a whole different ball game. Let's move on. I'm getting depressed. Let's go back to the third question here, which is still haunting me. It looks awful. There's no height. Well, I'll use the... Oh, no, I can't even use the formula. I need to find out the height. Maybe I'll come back to it. Maybe... I don't know what to do. I think I'll just move on. Maybe somebody in the class can figure that one out on their own. Do you have to show them everything, or can they just figure some of this out? Do you have to spoon feed them and hold their hands? They're grade 8s. Surely they'll have a way of solving it on their own. Okay, let's move on then. Oh my God, no, let's go back. That's awful. I'm going back to question number 3. You know what? I believe way back when I was visiting, last time we were talking about Pythagoras' theorem. Maybe I could use Pythagoras' theory to find the height of this. Yes, that's... Oh my God, I've surprised myself. I think I've got an idea here. I will use Pythagoras' theory to find out the height of this triangle, which would be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I've almost forgotten it. Thank goodness you put it in here to remind us. That'd be 9 squared plus b squared equals 15 squared. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of work. How can I remember back from weeks ago? That would be 81 plus b squared. I'm writing right over 15 centimeters. Oh my goodness, that's illegal. That's 225. Oh, what a mess. I'll subtract 81 from 225. That gives me 100, and b squared is 144. Whoa. And then I'll square root that. I get b is 12. Oh my goodness, that's so wonderful. Also, nukes, that's spectacular. Also, like I've scored a goal in the English Premier League. I feel so good here. We've got 9 as the base now, and a height of 12. I can simply use our new formula then. I've now got area equals 1/2 of 9 times 12. Oh my goodness. It's like the seas have parted. The clouds have disappeared and I can walk straight across. 9 times 12, I do not know that because, well, I didn't make it through grade 9. 108, and I take half of 108. I think I can figure that out. I think that's 54. That believes. Blimey, that looks like this is going to be a 54 centimeters squared. My goodness, I am so much better than I thought. Well, I think we should leave because oh my goodness, what is that? That is daft. That is awful. You know what, Nukes? I think we stop here and we let this, maybe the students can use their little computer thingies or their phones or their Instabook or texting application that they use and take a picture of it or something and they send it to grandma or solve it or throw it away or maybe use it as toilet paper since how there is such a shortage. I do not know, but this is terrible. Terrible, I say. Why don't they take a picture of it? They can try it on their own, and then Nukes, you can solve it on your own when I'm not here. And then maybe you could post it and tell them what the answer is. That sounds much better than me trying to figure it out right now. I'm far too old for this. All right, that's a good idea, Stephen. I want to say thanks to Stephen for visiting us today. Oh, no, sorry, that wasn't Stephen. That was Charles. My apologies, Charles. I got your names mixed up. I want to say thanks to Charles McFarland for visiting us from Scotland once again today. I have a funny feeling that he's going to rear his ugly head and show up at some point later on. I'm going to leave this question for you guys to try. And you can screenshot it or freeze your picture or pause it and then try it. And then I'll post the answer at the beginning of the next lesson. Cheers.